Well, welcome to Bandimere Speedway on Thunder Mountain, and it's my privilege to be able to spend just a few minutes with you and bring you up to date as to what's going on here at the racetrack. Please allow me to read most of this because I want to make sure that I get this out to you in a way where you do understand it. For the past several months, actually for a couple of years, the rumor mill has been working overtime regarding the future of Bandimere Speedway, and I appreciate your attention for the next few minutes as I put those rumors to rest and personally share with you the plans for our facility and business. The year was 1956, and the west side of Denver was going to gain a new venue that they had never really anticipated. My parents were about to embark on the expansion of sorts of our well-known auto parts and machine shop business and build a racetrack called the Safety Proving Grounds of America. It was an opportunity for them to provide a place for people, especially young people, to enjoy the speed and performance of the automobile and get off the streets. But more than that, it was a place to share the love of Jesus in an unconventional environment, and if you will, a platform, something they both loved to do. It wasn't long after the proper permits were obtained by the county and the dirt was getting ready to be moved that the neighbors realized that this was about ready to be established in their quiet neighborhood, in actually the Arvada area. Rather than fight a never-ending battle, the Safety Proving Grounds of America was relocated in 1958 to a remote piece of land up against the Hogback Mountain where it has resided for the past 65 years. You all know it as Bandimere Speedway, right? The year is now 2023, and Bandimere Speedway is about to embark on another possible move. Surrounding development has become more prevalent in the past several years, and once again, our family is prepared to surrender the location we have called home for 6 decades. Truly, the mission and vision of the facility has not changed over the years. The place has never been ours. It belongs to God. Keeping that in perspective over the years has given the family not only the honor to run a business with integrity and tradition and dedication, but also the realization to hold it lightly, knowing that we would not have it forever. Sometimes, we think we have things forever, but they do change, don't they? The end of the 2023 racing season in October will mark the end of drag racing in Morrison, Colorado. Better make sure you make it a really good year, right? As we close the chapter on this part of the story, our family is taking the time to reflect on hundreds or maybe thousands of memories we've experienced on Thunder Mountain. And trust me, there have been some great memories. Memories including many of the irreplaceable pieces over the years that have added to the unique fabric of Bandimere Speedway. The relationships that have been created with employees, racers, sponsors, sanctioning bodies, guests, service providers, and more will remind us daily what a privilege it's been for our family to continue the legacy started by my parents in 1958. Knowing that continued growth in the Rooney Valley would likely impact the future of our present location, our family has been proactive, and we've been telling you that for over a year, that we've been proactive over the past several years in an effort to locate another possible location where a new facility can be established. Much the same in 1956, the opportunity for developing and operating a multi-use facility for drag racing as its primary focus provides an exciting possibility for our family. And trust me, it is exciting, but it's also stressful. One that will also provide the potential to make a meaningful contribution to the community wherever it may be. If I could take just a minute also and just add some personal comments. I'm sure that this information doesn't come to any of you that's watching this as a surprise. But we really want to be honorable to all of you. And during the past couple of weeks, the staff has worked really hard to touch base with those people who have been partners and friends and and have been involved with the racetrack over the years for a long time. And if by chance we missed any one of you on that kind of a basis, please forgive us. It was not on purpose. And we pray that you would give us grace as we navigate through this really unfamiliar territory, because it is unfamiliar. Philippians 1:6 says, being confident of this, that he who began a good work in you will carry it to completion until the day of Jesus Christ. I hold on to that verse personally, and I know that the good work that he has allowed us to be a part of here, he will continue that in one way or another, and we just look forward for that. The days ahead are exciting. As I said earlier, they're stressful, and we appreciate your your continued prayers for the family and our staff. May God bless each one of you, and make 2023 the best year ever. God bless.